this video, you'll learn how to create even better looking forms with just a few clicks. On the Nutrient Workflow Help Center, navigate to the Admin Guide, and under Forms, choose CSS Styling. Once you're on the page, you can scroll to see which form style you like the most. You can use these samples out of the box, or you can modify the code to reflect your brand. Today, I'm going to go with the light mode. I'll click the copy icon in the code snippet on the right, and now I'll navigate back to my Nutrient Workflow form I want to edit. From here, click on the CSS tab. On this screen is where you'll paste in your CSS code. Make sure to click Save on the bottom right. Now click on the Preview tab to view your new and improved form. It's that easy. If you have any questions about how to use CSS, always feel free to contact your customer success team.